What's really good, LeSBP Trading Familia? Buenos dias, bonjour, bon dia, salvona, guten abend, como va, masakea, aftav. Thank you all for tuning in. So today, we're going to be going over the Euro USD trade that we took. Wasn't a bad trade. We just didn't get what we needed. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is on the Forex side, Euro USD once again. Actually, let's start from Forex.com so I can show you the trade. So we took a 6 cents break-even trade. Basically, in this trade, to be honest though, it is still negative because the commissions were 15 cents, and as you can see, the spread cost was 4 cents. So that really equaled out to a negative 19 cents. So we didn't even cover the fees basically, but we broke even on the P&L is what I should say. So all in all, we lost a couple of cents today, but not really, horrible in that fact. All right, so the trade from the day, as you see, we had a trade yesterday, really good. Jumped up to here. We're in that trade. As you can see, it's up to here now, kind of back in the same area. Actually, let me bring up that trade. Let's see, kind of back in the same area where we took kind of like our first TP. So we had TP taken here, and basically, as you can see, the market kind of went up and played back down. Now, within all of that, see if I can get that. Within all of that, or after all of that, what I wanted to do honestly was to get back into the trade, and I was trying to see what would have been the best idea of getting back into this trade. What I came up with was a little after the market kind of New York session closes and the next session opens would be the opportunity that I saw fit, but at the same time, I'm not saying it's the best opportunity. It's just something I was testing out, something I wanted to see. My real test was this morning, but this afternoon or yesterday afternoon, basically, I wanted to see like, all right, if I got in right here, where would I be at today? Overnight, it looked really good, but then it actually came right back down at about 10 something this morning. That's when I jumped into a trade on the 5-minute time frame. All right, yep. That's when I jumped into a trade on the 5-minute time frame. Pretty much after I saw this rejection right here, and then this second candle here, I got into this trade, and I said, all right, well, let's see if we can get a 1-to-1. We immediately got the 1-to-1 in like 20 minutes, but then right after that, it came right back, like in 2 candles. It went up in 4 candles and then went back down in 2 and took us out. And as you can see, it went back up a little bit more, but then it came back down. So currently right now, I don't honestly know what to do with this. In reality or in totality, I honestly should have just held on to the trade that I was already in. So if you look at the trade that I was already in, we could have still been in this trade. What do we probably, is it probably going back to break even? More than likely, yes. But we would have still been in that one particular trade, not worried about the fact of, how we're going to get back in. I'm never good at that. I'm never good at the how to get back in type of trade. That's why I don't do it. So, yeah, we're trying to figure out what we should be doing right now on EURUSD, but currently we are not in any trades. I'm just leaving that up here as a placeholder so I can see where it would have went. But it wasn't a bad day. It wasn't a bad day. We had a break-even day, so I mean, can't really ask for too much more because, to be honest, other than this trade, that was the only thing that I had opportunity to get into on the 5-minute chart. This had already taken off at 3 o'clock. It was all the way up here at 6 and 8 o'clock, and I wasn't going to jump into that if my confluences weren't met. And then finally came back down. My confluences were met for a buy retry, and we retried, and that was it. So, all right, y'all. Thanks. I feel like the videos are going to be a lot quicker, at least from this standpoint, because I'm not trading multiple instruments. I'm only trading EURUSD right now. Oh no, that's what I was going to say. Yeah, I'm only trading EURUSD right now. So, yeah, that's right now. It's probably going to be relatively quick. But hopefully you get some value out of it, is what I'm trying to say. Either way, all right, y'all. Thanks. Have a good day. Peace.